everybody, Joe from Miniature Landscape Hobbies here. Just with a quick unboxing, I was happy to get some of my post-Christmas shopping come in today, arrived in the mail. I've put in a fairly substantial order for some paints and some models, so I'm happy to get it. As always, I'm looking for painting supplies. I tend to go through it pretty quickly, as you can imagine. I do a lot of hobby projects, both terrain and model painting. And also recently I've started with Napoleonics, and I managed to track some down. Now, Napoleonics in Canada are extremely hard to find. Been playing 28mm. I committed to collecting 28mm Napoleonics like 2 weeks before Warlord announced the 15mm Napoleonics. I do like the 28mm scale, mind you. However, all of my battlefields are in 15mm because normally I play Flames of War and Team Yankee, which are also 15mm systems. So let's take a look to see what's in here. Prussian Line Infantry. That's not for me. That's actually for my brother-in-law. 46 models. He wants to start Prussians, which is good. So that'll give him a good start. I just started. These are Perry. I just started working with Perry models. Well, really yesterday. But wow, I mean, they're amazing quality. So they should be really nice for him. Here's one for me. French Napoleonics. I'm playing France because my regular opponent is my son Mitchell, who wants to play British, so that's okay by me. Anybody that knows me knows I have a horrible French accent, though.
I can't understand a word you said the whole time.
I think what you are hearing is my accent. I am French.
Matte varnish, AK brand. We'll use pretty much any brand. It's important to have good quality varnishes, though. I've talked about that a few times in my different videos. Flesh wash, Army Painter Quick Shades. If you don't use them, use them. They're awesome. Flat blue. I've been, of course, learning to paint more with blue because I've been playing French. Late French line infantry. Oh, light infantry, sorry. Just to add a variety, I've got the Warlord Waterloo box set, so I needed to add to the variety a bit. It's a great box set, mind you. So this will help with that. My son Mitchell decided to get some Portuguese allies for his British. Now, we've mainly been playing Waterloo era, but I think we can get away with adding some Portuguese to our group, and it will increase the variety in the color. The supplier has a free giveaway book, so that's that. I don't read a lot of fiction, but maybe my son will like it. Mounted British Colonels. So some Perry character models. Sort of just bought these on a whim. Something fun to paint. Same way with generals for the French. And then just some more essentials, soft tone, another light gray because I'm running low, and some new light flesh paint because I've been doing a lot of skin tones to go with the Napoleonics. So that's it. As always, it's really nice to get a bunch of new models. These will immediately go onto the pile of glory for new and upcoming model painting projects, and of course the essential components for the upcoming projects. So, just a quick video. We'll get more into this later, and you'll see more videos, including some instructionals on how to paint this stuff in future videos, and we should have some upcoming terrain. It is actually New Year's Eve day, so I'd like to wish all my viewers a Happy New Year, and I hope they have a prosperous 2022 with lots of good gaming and painting. And most importantly, remember to always keep building life in miniature.